Hello, ninth class students. Today I am going to discuss with you a short story which is in your first term, Old Man at the Bridge. It is the second short story, page number 48. So before starting, I want to bring in your notice that uh, in short stories you need to learn few important points by heart to solve the question answers in your workbook. For the exams, you cannot depend completely on the workbook. If you understand the poems and the short stories and are able to solve the questions of your workbook, then you will be able to solve the question in your exam. So listen it carefully. Let's start. An old man with steel rimmed spectacles and very dusty clothes sat by the side of the road. There was a pontoon bridge across the river, and carts, trucks, and men and women and children were crossing it. So, old man at the bridge, what the writer is saying, that there was the old man with steel rimmed spectacles, means he wore a spectacles whose frame is made of steel, and he wore a very dusty clothes. He sat nearby the road, and there was a pontoon, means wooden bridge. There was a wooden bridge or a wooden platform, and across the river, and on that bridge carts, trucks, men and women, they all were crossing that bridge. The mule drawn cart staggered here means to move very slowly. Mule means a kind of animal, looks like a horse or a ass. They were pulling the carts and moving very slowly up the steep bank from the bridge, with soldiers helping, pushing against the spokes of the wheels. From the backside of the cart, soldiers were helping the cart. They were pushing the cart so that it may able to cross the bridge. The trucks ground up and away, heading out of it all, and the peasants plodded along in the ankle deep dust. Plodded means to walk. Trucks were also crossing. Grounded up means on the ground, filled with the dust. There was a, because of the trucks there was a dust all over, and farmers were also walking very slowly. Their feet were covered with the dust. But the old man sat there without moving. He was too tired to go any further. But everybody was moving, but old man was not moving. He was just sat nearby the road and was looking at everything, but he was not moving because he was very tired. He was not able to move forward. So here is the scene of the bridge, which you need to understand. What was the scene of that place? It is about the old man, all steel rimmed spectacles, very dusty and tired, and there is the scene. You need to learn it very carefully and need to learn it by heart. It was my business. So my business here is the soldier or the writer of this story, to cross the bridge, explore the bridgehead beyond, and find out what point the enemy had advanced. So the writer is saying that it was my business to cross the bridge, after crossing it to look far away to the places, that up to which length, up to which place enemy of the army or army of the enemy has come. I advanced this and returned over the bridge. After exploring the area that up to which length army of the enemy has reached, he came back to the bridge. There were not so many carts now and very few people on foot, but the old man was still there. So when he came back, what did he notice? That not many people were there. Almost everybody from there had gone, but still old man was there. Where do you come from? So first question he asked, that soldier asked to the old man, that from where have you come? From San Carlos. Old man smiled and answered, this is the name of his hometown, San Carlos. That was his native town, and so it gave him pleasure to mention it, and he smiled. So why did he smile while taking the name of his native place? Because it was his native place. It gave him a good feeling. So that is why he smiled. I was taking care of animals, he explained. So further, old man said that what was his business in his native town named San Carlos. What did he do there? He took care of the animals. That is the second thing about the, or the third thing about the old man. First, his appearance. Second, name of his native place. And third, what did he do over there? Oh, I said, not quite understanding. Not quite understanding means soldier did not understand completely that what does he mean to say that. Yes, he said, I stayed, you see, taking care of animals, was the last one to leave the town of San Carlos. He did. Then he further said that I took care of the animals and I was the last person who left my place. He did not look like a shepherd or a herdsman, and I looked at his black, dusty clothes and his grey, dusty face and his steel-rimmed spectacles and said, what animals were they? So from his appearance, he did not look like a shepherd, a person who takes care of the animals or who grazes the animals. He does not look like that. He looked at his dusty clothes or his spectacles and then asked him the another question, that what kind of animals did he take care of or did he have? Various animals, he said, and shook his head. I had to leave them. First he answered, various kinds of animals, and then due to his sadness he shook his head and said, I have to leave them back in the town. So there is another thing about the old man, that why didn't he look like a shepherd or the herdsman, and why he was sad. What did the soldier think of him? I was watching the bridge and then African looking country of the Ebro Delta and wondering how long now it would be before we would see the enemy. So it is the soldier who is thinking in his mind. He was watching the bridge, the people who were crossing the bridge, and then he looks at the country area of that city area, that it looked like a delta. It was not very developed area. There was a dust, there was a empty ground over there, and he was thinking in his mind that how much enemy will take time to reach here and then they have to face them. Listening all the while for the first noises that would signal that ever mysterious event called contact, and old man still sat there. So he was thinking that when will they get that signal that army of the enemy has reached there. But still he thought that the old man was still there. He did not leave that place. What animals were they? I asked. So the old man was there. So he again asked him the question. So here you can notice this is about the area where the people were crossing. Old man sat, and the setting of the short story, and what did the soldier think of that area. There were 3 animals together, he explained. There were 2 goats and a cat, and then there were 4 pair of pigeons. So these are the animals which old men have. 2 goats, a cat, and 4 pairs of pigeons. ठीक है, write it, notice it.